Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a silhouette on Adobe Photoshop. So I'm just going to add a solid color first. I'm going to color black and I'm just going to place it underneath. Then I'm going to select the subject and I'm just going to mask it here, like so. Select the ellipse tool and create like a white circle behind, like this. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, convert to smart object, and then press OK. Just adjust that. Select Control on your keyboard and press this, and then you're going to select the solid color section. Then you're going to press OK. Oh my god. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. Then make it to 0. Go to properties, and here you can feather it out a little bit if you'd like to, but not too much. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. And that is how you can create a silhouette on Photoshop. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!